Are you tired of feeling sluggish and drained? What if I told you that a simple detox could revitalize your body, boost your energy, and even enhance your overall performance, including in the bedroom? Yes, you heard that right. A clean, healthy liver plays a key role in hormone balance, blood circulation, and stamina, which directly impacts sexual health. In this video, we're going to reveal 8 incredible liver detox recipes that not only cleanse your body, but also support peak performance in all aspects of your life. If you're excited about this, comment great below. The power of a clean liver. Your liver is the body's detox powerhouse, filtering out toxins, breaking down fat, and regulating hormones. However, a fatty, inflamed liver can throw your body out of balance, leading to weight gain, fatigue, and even a dip in libido. That's why maintaining a healthy liver is crucial for optimal function. Now, let's dive into these powerful detox drinks that will help flush out toxins and keep your energy levels high inside and outside the bedroom. 1. Spinach and kiwi liver cleanser. First up, we have a refreshing blend of spinach and kiwi. Spinach helps stabilize blood sugar and reduces cravings, making it a great ingredient for weight management. But did you know it also supports testosterone production? Kiwi, on the other hand, is packed with vitamin C, which promotes blood circulation, a key factor for stamina and performance. Blend 1 cup of spinach with 2 to 3 kiwis, add a splash of lemon juice, and enjoy. If you're ready to boost your vitality, comment healthy boost below. 2. Grapefruit and spinach detox drink. Grapefruit is a powerhouse fruit that enhances insulin sensitivity and promotes bile flow, which helps break down fat and toxins in the liver. The result? A more efficient metabolism and better endurance. Combine 1 grapefruit with a handful of spinach and a squeeze of lemon juice for a drink that keeps your liver and libido in top shape. I believe you're enjoying this video. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Comment wonderful if you're finding this helpful. 3. Kale and pomegranate liver rejuvenator. Kale is one of the best vegetables for detoxification, loaded with anti-inflammatory properties. Pairing it with pomegranate, which prevents fat buildup in the liver and improves blood flow, makes this a winning combination. Proper circulation is crucial for sexual health, as it ensures oxygen and nutrients reach the right places. Blend a handful of kale with half a cup of pomegranate juice for a nutrient-rich elixir. If you love the sound of this, comment energize below. 4. Papaya digestive flush. Papaya is rich in digestive enzymes that help break down toxins, while also reducing inflammation in the liver. A healthy liver means better hormone regulation, which directly affects mood and drive. Simply blend a cup of papaya with water, add ice cubes, and enjoy. For extra benefits, sprinkle in a pinch of Himalayan salt. If you're ready for a clean and balanced system, comment pure cleanse below. 5. Celery and blueberry detox drink. Celery boosts bile production, which aids in liver detoxification. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, keeping your liver in peak condition. This duo also helps regulate iron levels, preventing sluggishness. Blend 1 cup of chopped celery with a cup of blueberries and a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for an extra cleansing effect. If you want to keep toxins at bay, comment liver love below. 6. Cucumber and lemon hydration booster. Hydration is essential for liver function, and cucumber is one of the most hydrating foods you can consume. Lemon enhances detoxification, making this combo a simple yet powerful drink. Staying well hydrated also improves skin, energy levels, and endurance. Blend a cup of cucumber with a cup of lemon juice and sip your way to better health. Comment fresh start if you're excited to try this. 7. Avocado and strawberry liver protector. Avocado is loaded with antioxidants that support liver repair. while strawberries enhance liver function and metabolism. This smoothie is also great for heart health, which is directly linked to endurance and stamina. Blend a cup of avocado with a cup of strawberries, add water and ice, and enjoy this creamy, delicious detox drink. If you're loving this, comment vitality below. 8. Coconut and papaya super detox smoothie. Coconut contains MCT fats, which are low stress for the liver and promote ketone production, great for energy and mental clarity. Pairing it with papaya gives your liver the enzymes it needs to function optimally. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon to regulate blood sugar and enhance overall health. Blend these ingredients, and your body will thank you. If you're ready to level up your health, comment Total Cleanse below. Bonus: the ultimate probiotic liver drink. For the grand finale, let's talk about a fermented probiotic drink that will revolutionize your liver health. This gut-friendly drink uses fruit juice and a special probiotic strain that ferments the sugar, creating a fizzy, low-sugar soda packed with benefits. It improves digestion, flushes out toxins, and even supports mood and energy levels. To make it, mix your favorite juice like pomegranate or cranberry with a probiotic capsule. Let it ferment for 72 hours and enjoy. If you're excited to try this, comment gut health below. There you have it, 8 powerful liver detox recipes that not only cleanse your system, but also support overall well-being, energy, and even sexual health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Also, check out other interesting videos on this channel before you go. Your liver and your body will thank you. See you in the next video.